Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. I just want to show you how to sign up to become an Expedition Money affiliate or sales representative so that you can get paid for any sales that you make here. And it's actually pretty simple. Everything can be done online here, and then you can get credit for your sales and get paid immediately or kind of immediately, I think about 15 days afterwards. But first of all, I want to go here to the Expedition Money website and just show you. I'm going to log in under my personal account, but this is just to represent the account you would have with Expedition Money. So I've set you up as a user account. It should look almost exactly like this. You'll have home, courses, users. This is where you can add some free users if you want to, but you'll notice there's nothing in here that says affiliate or sales rep. There's nothing that says that yet. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to sign out as if I'm just coming to the website. Now, again, you'll use your name at Expedition Money email address. But if you go all the way down to the bottom of the website here when you're logged out, there is this link, become an affiliate. So you're just going to click on that. And so that will take you to the Expedition Money Sales Representative and Affiliate Program. You can just kind of see some of the information. We've talked about some of this in person: 10,000 user plan, $40,000 a year, 20,000 a year commission, some of the frequently asked questions, but you're just going to go in here and become an affiliate. Now, if you already have signed up for an affiliate account, you can just sign in wherever you sign in, or you can sign in here. But because you have not signed up as an affiliate or sales rep yet, you're going to follow this link here, become an affiliate. So what you'll notice here is it says sign up to Expedition Money Basecamp. If you don't have an account yet, this is where you would create it. This is just kind of the basic Expedition Money website. But because you already have an account, because I've already set that up for you, you're presumably logged in, you're just going to go down here to sign in with your account. So you're just going to click on that, and now it's going to give you a place to put in your name at Expedition Money, your password, and log in. So again, because I don't want to log in with my administrator account, I'm logging in with this user account to show you how it works. So I'm going to log in here. And now it will show you the program here. Basically, you just can accept the affiliate program terms. You can click on there to look at them. There is just the same information down here, and click join the affiliate program. And then you'll click that, and then that will join you to the affiliate program, and it will log you into that user management dashboard. So let me show you that. So once you click that, because you're already logged in, it's going to take you back to your dashboard here. But now you'll see that instead of just home, courses, users, you're going to have this new panel section here called affiliate management. It's going to take you to the dashboard. And so it's going to show you everything from your sales, due amount, payments received. You can change your bank method. This is your affiliate ID here. It's just going to be a code that is going to be used when you create custom links. That's going to credit your account with the sale. The commission rate right here. This is going to show you total commissions. Everything is here. I'm going to go to affiliate links now. So this is your affiliate link. So if you copy this link, email it out. Maybe you're with someone, you might want to have this bookmarked. You can sign them up right there. You can demo it. They want to sign up and they're like, oh, just help me do it. Sit down with me at the computer. You're going to want to go to this link so that you can get credit for that. You can create an affiliate link with a coupon here. There are some sections here like to a specific page or to a specific product. You do not have to do this, and it doesn't really matter in our school, because what ends up happening is that some people will like have free courses and then they will upsell to a higher end course. And so they may say, hey, go to this course, try it out, and it's going to be free. And there's different ways of trying to kind of get people into that funnel. That's not going to be necessary here because everything is included. But this link is really what's important, and it will persist. The cookie will persist for 90 days, I believe. So if you send this to someone and you're like, hey, I would love to have your company sign up for this financial wellness program, and they don't do it right now, but they do it 2.5 months from now, you'll still get credit for it. Now, if it's been more than 90 days, I would say there's a couple things we should do. We should probably check in with them, send them the link again, try to have them sign up or whatever you want to do. Again, that's going to reset the clock for you for 90 days on the cookie, but maybe it's been a while, we forget. It happened after the 90 days, they signed up, and the sale and the sign up did not get associated with your affiliate account. But if that happens and they're like, hey, by the way, I signed up for Expedition Money, it's been great, thanks so much for doing that, and you're like, oh my gosh, well, I don't see any credit for it, let me know. We're going to have to do some things on the back end, kind of undo things and redo things. Or worst case scenario, I can record keep it manually. But if you hear of that, or if that ends up happening inadvertently, please let me know right away. Please let me know as soon as you hear about it so that we can start making sure that that is taken care of, so that if there was a sale and a commission that needs to go to you, that gets done. You can click here on commissions, no commissions yet, payments, no payments, leads. If you are sending out links and they're clicking them, that's going to be a lead. So you will see some of those in there. And so this is just kind of nice because it'll be one place to see everything that's getting paid out to you or is due you. Now, I will say that there's also, I think, a 15-day default delay in getting paid on a payment. So if someone signs up today, they charge the payment, and that's because there's a cancellation period where they can get their money back. So just in case, we don't want to necessarily pay a commission and then have to charge back that commission to you if they cancel within that period. But I think it's basically 2 weeks. So after they pay, assuming they persist, then you would get your commission payment on that. So that's how you become a sales affiliate, sales representative, and you can see everything here. And we'll get into more detail on this as we move forward here, or as you are actually trying to sign up people and see what that experience is like. But that is how you sign up. Very easy. Follow the link in the email to get started to sign up for that affiliate sales representative account with your Expedition Money email. And then you should be set up to get paid for stuff you sell. I'll talk to you later.